Hi children, welcome back to our class. Yesterday we learned what is exponent, how can we write in exponential form. Today we are going to learn laws of exponents. Yesterday we discussed what is exponent, how can we write exponential form. Today we are going to learn laws of exponent. Laws of exponent. What is the first law? Before going to that law, we will see some examples. For example, if it is there any sum like this 2 cube and 2 power 4 into 2 power 6 like this. Have you observed this question? Here all the base are equal, then powers are different. Whenever the base is equal, we can add the powers. Here 2 cube, we can write it as 2 into 2 into 2. 2 power 4. 2 power 4. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 power 6. We have to write 2 6 times. So totally how many times we multiplied the 2 here? Now add that powers. 2 power 3 plus 4 7. 7 plus 6 13 times we multiplied this. So 2 power 13. No need to do this much process. For this we can use one law, that is product law. What is that law? Product law. Whenever the base is same, for example a power m into a power n, at that time we have to add the powers. A power m plus n. Which law is it? Powers law. Product law. Which law is it? Product law. See some more examples related to this law. One more example. 2 by 3 whole cube into 2 by 3 whole power minus 4 into 2 by 3 whole square. Here base is same. What is the common base here? 2 by 3. Powers are different. Then we have to use here product law. Here 2 by 3 is same. Add the powers. 3 plus of minus 4 plus 2. 2 by 3 whole power. 3 plus of minus 4 plus 2. 3 minus 4 minus 1 plus 2. It is 1. So 2 by 3. Is it clear? Have you understood this? Then we are going to another law. I will give one example for that. Before going to that law, look at this example. 3 by 4 whole square divided by 3 by 4 whole cube. Which operation we are doing here? Division. Here also base is same. 3 by 4, 3 by 4. Whenever we are dividing the same base exponents, we have to subtract the exponents powers. We have to subtract the powers. 3 by 4 base is common and 2 minus 3. It is 3 by 4 power minus 1. We can read either power or raised to. 3 by 4 whole power minus 1. So what is this law? We are getting that after division. You know already what is the result in the division? It is called quotient. So here after division we are getting the quotient. That's why this law is called quotient law. What is this second law? Quotient law. What is that quotient law? A power m divided by a power n. When the base is same, subtract the powers. A power m minus n with the same base. A power m minus n. This law is called quotient law. Have you understood, children? What is that law? Quotient law. In this quotient law, there are three conditions. Here, there are three conditions using the powers. If m is greater than n, if m is greater than n, we can subtract that m minus n. If that m is equals to n, what we get the result? What is the result if m is equals to n? See here, if m place, if you keep that m again, m minus n, what we got? A power 0. In exponents, any number or any variable power 0 is equals to 1. So the condition is in quotient law, when m is equals to n, then a power m by a power n value is 1. Then a power m by a power n value is 1. So here one more condition is there. When n is greater than to n, when n is greater than to n, what we have to do here? Here minus n will come. N is greater. So 1 by a power m minus n. 1 by a power m minus n. These are the conditions in quotient law. Once again I repeat that first law is product law. When the exponent's base is equal, we are going to that multiplying, then we have to add the powers. A power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. When the next second law, it is quotient law. A power m by a power n, when the base is same and we are doing the dividing that exponents, at that time we have to subtract the powers. A power m by a power n is equals to a power m minus n. What is the condition here? M greater than n. Next condition is when m is equals to n, the value is equals to 1. When n is greater than to m, then a power m by a power n is equals to 1 by a power m minus n. 1 by a power m minus n. Now we are going to learn third law. It is nothing but powers law. What is that law? Powers law. What is that powers law? For example, 2 cube 4 square it is there. What we have to do here, at this time we have to multiply that powers. 2 power 3 2 z 6. 2 power 6. 2 cube whole square value is equals to 2 power 6. Let us check it back result. 2 cube value. 2 cube means what is it? 2 we have to multiply 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 cube value. 2 into 2 into 2. What is that? 2 2 z 4. 4 2 z 8. Then whole square means 8 square. 8 square value is 8 into 8. 8 into 8. 8 8 z 64. Now let us check it that RHS side. This is LHS. LHS we got that 64. Now RHS check it. 2 power 6 value. 2 how many times we have to multiply here? 6 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2 z 4. 4 2 z 8. 8 2 z 16. 16 2 z 32, 32 2 z 64. Have you got equal answers? RHS is equals to LHS. So which law is it? Powers law. Powers law is nothing but a power m, 4 power n. Then we have to multiply the powers. A power m into n. In variables, we should not keep the into symbol. Here we have to use either dot or you leave it. Don't keep that into symbol. a power m whole power n is equals to a power mn. Which law is it? Power's law. In Power's law, one more condition is there. If it is there whole power n, then only we have to multiply these two. Otherwise, if it is there a power m power n, a power m power n, it is not equals to a power m whole power n, which is not equals to a power m whole power n. Maximum almost 90% children did the mistake here. A power m power n is different than the a power m whole power n. This condition you should remember, don't forget it. In Power's law, not only these two, some more laws are there. For example, if any number power 1, a power 1 is nothing but a. Why? Because we are writing only one time. Then a square value is a into a. Already we know that a is multiplying here 2 times. Here a power 1 means it is equals to a. For example, 7 power 1, 7. Sometimes we will write only x. Madam, x power what here? X is writing how many times? Only one time. So x power 1. Clear children? Any number power, if any number rise to the power of 1, then it is the value is equals to itself. The value is equals to itself. Then another law is, any number having the negative powers, exponents are positive powers, they have and the negative powers also. How can we write in the positive powers? How can we express in the positive powers? Let us see that. If any exponent is that having the minus m, a power minus m, then we can have to write, we can write it as 1 by a power m. If any number having the negative powers, we can express in the fractional form 1 by a power m. 1 by a power m. Let us see some examples. For example, 3 power minus 2 is there. How can we write that? 1 by 3 square. 1 by 3 square. 1 by 3 square value is 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9. 1 by 9. One more example. 7 power minus 4. How can we write this one? According to this rule, 1 by 7 power 4. And we have to find it that 7 power 4 value and write it. This is that if any exponent has the negative powers, then we have to write it as 1 by a power m in that formula. Use this law and you can simplify that negative power exponents. In generally we use the square root, cube root. Do you know children, if it is there root 2, what is this means? It is the square root 2. Square root 2. How can we write in exponential form this one? 2 power 1 by 2. These are the fractional powers of exponents. What is that 1 by 2? 1 by 2 is a fraction. Then this base has that fractional powers. Such type of sums, how can we solve here? If it is there any number mth root a, it is a power 1 by n. A power 1 by n. One more sum. Mth root a power n. Now write it as a power n whole power 1 by n. Now we have to use here powers law. A power m whole power n. A power m into n. Then we can write it as n into 1 n by n. A power n by n. So these are the laws of exponents, and later in next session we will discuss the problems. Thank you.